Welcome to the F5 Networks Advanced Web Application Firewall demo series. In this demo, we'll show how a BIG-IP Advanced WAF security policy can protect a web application from malicious cookie modification. This is Demo 18 of the AWAF Demo series, and it's intended for intermediate-level BIG-IP Advanced WAF users. For optimal viewing, we recommend using full screen mode. The environment for this demo contains 3 devices. A Windows workstation will be used to submit requests where the HTTP cookies have been modified by a man-in-the-middle attack. These requests will arrive at the F5 BIG-IP system, running Advanced WAF. The BIG-IP system sits in front of, and protects, the backend web application. The BIG-IP system, using its full proxy architecture, examines every request, and can block all cookie modification attempts, and prevent them from going to the backend web servers. First, we'll look at the virtual server for the web application we'll be protecting. This is a standard HTTP virtual server that listens on 10.1.10.35. On the Virtual Server Security Policies page, you can see that we already have a security policy attached to this virtual server named 16 Cookies Security Policy. We'll now access the DVWA web application, and we'll use a utility called Burp Suite. Burp Suite enables a malicious user to examine and modify a request before sending it to the web server. After accessing this page, we can view the request in Burp Suite. We'll modify the request by changing the value of the security cookie. Clicking forward sends this request to the web server. The request with the modified cookie was allowed. Let's examine the BIG-IP Advanced WAF event log. This request is illegal because it contained a modified domain cookie. The log entry displays the cookie name and the modified value. Although this security policy is in blocking mode, requests with modified cookie values aren't yet being blocked. Let's view the cookies list page. The policy builder learned about these 2 cookies before we started this demo. Notice the 2 cookies are still in staging. While they are in staging, they are not enforced, meaning that violations against them will not be blocked. We'll now select both cookies and then enforce them. Finally, we'll apply the policy. We'll now use the web application and attempt to modify cookie values again. This time we'll modify both cookie values, the JSessionID cookie and the security cookie. This cookie modification attempt was now blocked by the BIG-IP Advanced WAF security policy. Let's examine this blocked request in the event log. The request was blocked because the values of 2 cookies were modified. We can see that the attack type was session hijacking. Notice in the request section, BIG-IP Advanced WAF highlights both cookies that were modified. Thank you for watching this demonstration on using an F5 BIG-IP Advanced WAF security policy to protect a web application from malicious cookie modification. We encourage you to watch additional AWAF demos, and for more details on how Advanced WAF can protect your web applications, contact your F5 Networks Sales Account Manager. For questions or comments about this video, contact Chris Manley at the email address at the bottom of the page.